Ha is pronounced like ha in ha ha ha, like laughing. This kana looks like an uppercase letter H plus a lowercase letter a. What does that spell? Ha. Why are you laughing? Stop that. Make sure you can see the H and A in the kana. So yeah, H and A. I've never seen that, but just be careful that it's not connected here. So it's 3 strokes, top to bottom. 1, 2, and 3 with a little loop. Hi. It's the English pronoun he. That's very good. In other words, it sounds like he in heat. He has a big nose. See that big nose? Now say it out loud. He has a big nose. He. Only 1 stroke. He. Fu. So as I mentioned, fu is halfway between the F and H sounds, plus u, making a fu sound. So it's not fu, it's not hu, it's hu, hu. It's pronounced like a softly blown out version of fu in fool, or sometimes hu in hoop. How to remember fu? Someone is over there dancing like a fool. What's that around their neck? Oh, that's a hula hoop. That's why they're twisting their bodies so hard. Fu. So here, the first and second one are connected, but please try to separate them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 4 strokes. He. He is pronounced like he in help or Helen. Do you know the famous mountain, Mount St. Helens? This kinda isn't totally flat like Helen is, but it's pretty squat looking. That's why this one is Helen's. If it ever erupts again, people will need help. He, only 1 stroke. He, ho. It's pronounced like ho in ho or ho 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 ho. The line on the left is a chimney, as you can see here. The right side is a mutated Santa Claus. He has 4 arms, a snake tail, and no head. Out of his neck, he's uttering ho 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 ho. Hopefully, he doesn't come down your chimney. This is far-fetched, but I like it. It's very original, and I hope it's going to help you remember. Practice writing ho. So that's 4 strokes, top to bottom, left to right, ho, with a little loop at the end. Let's practice reading. Hai, hai. Hai means yes. Hito, hito. So here, again, the E sound, you can devocalize, and it's going to sound more natural. Hito, hito. It means a person. Fuku, fuku. Fuku means clothes. Heso, heso. Heso means belly button. Then we have hono, 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 hono. Actually, it doesn't mean the fire. Fire is hi. Hono means the flame. To some people, it's the same thing, but there's a bit of nuance. It's a little bit different. Hono. So hono means flame. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。